वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल गाइस। आप सबका स्वागत है एक और नई वीडियो में। हर हर महादेव। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, शेयर कर देना वीडियो को और लाइक कर देना, ठीक है। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर मुझे पता है कि हाँ मेरा गला ख़राब है, कुछ टाइम और लगेगा गला ठीक होने में, तो गला ठीक हो जाएगा, ठीक है। बस थोड़ा सब्र करिए।
Well, I wasn't on that boat, so hard to say, but I trust your judgment, Dutch. Always have.
Thank you, son. We
ठीक
have
है,
been
चलो
shot at
अब
before.
थोड़ा
Jose,
दिन के लिए
I
जाए।
don't feel that this is honestly anything.
ठंड साला बहन चो, ये बर्फ को देख के मुझे भी ठंड लग रही।
Morning.
Good morning, Arthur.
How are you feeling?
I'm okay. Better than most. Okay, Arthur. All turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks miss them. That fell. But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Party. Probably. That funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Como Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
Are you sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Como Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators here. Colm always had good information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah! Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Okay, let's go find these bastards before they find us and rob this core of their planet. They must be this way.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Como Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another. It will be.
Some things I can forgive, others I can't forget. What he did to Hannibal, I can't do neither.
You killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did. And I hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough. That's how this'll end. See that smoke? Let's cut up here and take a look. They said it was near the lake, so we must be close.
Easy.
Hold up here! What are you doing? All right, gentlemen. This is it.
आजा आजा।
Are we goddamn ready?
Ready, Dutch.
Good. Now, Mr. Morgan and I, we're gonna head up here a little, See if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp.
आजा फटाफट भाई
Mr. Williamson, Mr.
बकवास कर
Bell,
रहा है.
you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position here. Let's go.
ये रहा.
There they are. That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very happy.
No.
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get him?
No. Colm can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. Come on, let's get down there.
चलो भाई.
Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse.
लड़ाइयाँ हो जाए अब. फाइटिंग.
You boys be ready to pick them off from up there.
You got it, Dutch.
Good. Come on, let's go. We'll circle on the far side and go down that way, same as Mike and... though. Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including Colm, can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now, come on.
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No, but the way our luck's been running...
Hush. Let's just get down there first.
क्या भाई
Follow me.
मारेंगे
Let's head
सालों
for
को
that
एक एक
building in
करके.
front.
चलो.
What are we doing, Dutch?
तेरी परमिशन जरूरत ही नहीं भाई मुझे. तेरी परमिशन के लिए साले की परमिशन नहीं है. मारेंगे. कर रहे भाई. राइफल है ना उनका भी बढ़िया है. बढ़िया से कमाल खेलते हैं.
We got more in those cabins to the right. There's no hiding in those cabins. Pushing forward.
I think that's all of them.
Search the bodies. Strip everything we can from them.
You recognize any of them, Dutch?
Of course not. Colm doesn't give a damn about his men. All he cares about is numbers. If you can shoot a gun and ride a horse and kill without thought, you're in. Think how long some of you have been with me. I imagine Colm doesn't even know half the names of these fools. Oh, shit! Look out! More of the bastards coming out of the trees!
पता है
Shit, there's a lot of them! What do you think, Arthur? Do we hold ground here or go at them?
I say we go at the bastards.
Come on, man! Everyone with me! Now let's get into that forest and clear them out!
भूल गया था मैं साथ में वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर
The cowards are running away! Good work, boys! Back to the camp! We'll get what we need, clear out!
अलग चूतिया
Okay. Let's wait for Javier and Lenny. They're coming down with the horses.
Keep an eye out for any more of the bastards.
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left.
Here.
All right,
This
now,
looks
quick.
good.
Find those
What do you think, Bill?
explosives,
Well, looks
anything
fine.
you can.
देखो ये मैं समझना कि मेरे को एक चीज़
Smells good.
मतलब मैं
Come on.
सीधा वहाँ पहुँच जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि
Did we get everything?
ये गेम मैंने
Think so,
3-4
boss?
खेल ली है
Found this
और
on
मेरे
one
को
of
कोई
them.
घटी हुई है
Thank you.
This
Yeah.
is perfect.
तो
Oh,
इसलिए
yeah. Interesting. This is something
Bye,
about the
buddy.
train they was gonna rob.
कमेंट मत कर देना कि ये तो
Of
दो
Mr.
चीज़ लगा रखे
Leviticus
हैं तो मुझे कुछ पता
Cornwall.
है ये वो।
Mount back up. Let's keep moving.
मैंने बहुत बारी खेली थी
All right, let's get out of here. Proud of you boys. All of you. Not a man down.
Good work, fellers.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like. But we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again. All right, dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground.
चलो चलो चलो
Fella, wasn't he at the camp with Colm?
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah.
बैंड के थोड़े वापस पकड़ रहा हूँ रुको होल्ड L1 साले
You're coming with me.
Oh, God, no.
What's your name, boy?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
It's Kieran.
Kieran what?
Duffy. Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please! Don't do this, please!
Oh, don't worry.
चलो
They're
गाइस
real
इस वीडियो को
nice.
You found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
चैनल को
Very
सब्सक्राइब कर
good.
देना,
Welcome to your
वीडियो
new
को शेयर कर
home.
देना,
Hope you're
लाइक कर देना
real
वीडियो को।
happy here.
मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट
You
वीडियो
want
में।
me to make him
Till then,
talk?
take
Oh
care.
no, now all we'll get is lies.
Hare Hare.
Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed 'em as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister! I hate that fella!
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.